Hello, I am Geetika Tiwari. Love has no gender, compassion has no religion, character has no race, self respect by definition is a confidence, and pride in knowing that your behavior is both honorable and dignified. When you harass someone, you not only disrespect them but yourself as well. While I was browsing through the internet, I just gone through these beautiful lines, which is so true and speak really itself. Gender based violence has gone so high in various forms that we must have heard, seen, or experienced them in this lifetime, specifically as a female. It has many forms like physical or sexual violence, stalking, sexual harassment, even at office places, rape, and also issues related with LGBT. It's the time that we contribute to the society in a way that this gets eliminated from its root level. Few things that can be done is education. Still, we see that education is a privilege to many females at some places in our country. Bring down the gender based barriers at various places or religion in the country, and specifically parents raising their child in a way that this gets eliminated at its root level by inculcating the respect for all the gender and humanity from the very childhood itself. And I am really positive and sure that this violence will soon see its end, because together we make a difference.